On a freezing Kabul morning, the bus to Kandahar is waiting for passengers. It's at least a 6-hour journey, so it's wise to wrap up warm, stock up with snacks, and make sure your mobile phone ringtones are Taliban friendly. The ringtones are what travellers call a Taliban visa. If their bus is stopped at a Taliban roadblock, the phones will be checked. Anyone with a number for a government contact is in trouble. Although at government checkpoints, the wrong sort of melody can also bring awkward questions.
I haven't left anything suspicious to the government or the Taliban on my phone. I haven't left any number that would land me in trouble with any side. The only numbers on my phone are for business contacts or close relatives.
The possibility of a Taliban checkpoint is actually the least of the worries for the passengers on this bus, according to the driver. The real risk is that of getting stuck behind a NATO military convoy, and that can make the journey to Kandahar take up to 14 hours instead of the 6 it would take if they had a clear road. Back at the Kabul bus stop, mobile phone stores are doing a brisk trade in ringtones. The Taliban may not be in power in Afghanistan, but their influence never seems to be far from daily life. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera, Kabul.